Hey guys, hi and hello, welcome to my channel Divide and Conquer with Radha. Today's topic of discussion is going to be HCF. We are going to learn how to calculate the highest common factor by using the prime factor method. Let's get started. There are basically three steps involved in calculating the highest common factor. Step 1. We need to factorize the given numbers separately. Step 2. We need to select the common prime factors from the given numbers. And step 3. Multiply the prime factors obtained. The product that is obtained is the required HCF. Now, to understand these concepts better, let's solve sums related to HCF. Calculate the HCF of 48, 36 and 96 by prime factor method. To factorize a given number, you must be familiar with the test of divisibility. Videos related to test of divisibility is already available in my channel and the link is given in the description below. Now let's factorize the three given numbers separately. 48. 48 is an even number because the number in the ones place is 8. The smallest prime number that divides 48 is 2. So on dividing 48 by 2, we get 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. When 24 is again an even number, so it's divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Now 12 is an even number, divisible by 2. So 2 times 6 gives us 12. And 6 is divisible by 2 again, so 2 3s are 6. Now 3 is an odd number, so let's divide 3 with the next prime number, which is 3. So 3 1s are 3. Moving on to the next number, we have 36. 36 is an even number and it's divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 18, again an even number, divisible by 2. So 2 times 9 gives us 18. Now 9 is an odd number. So let's divide 9 by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 is an odd number. So 3 1s are 3. Moving on to the third number, that is 96. 96 is an even number, so it's divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. Now 48 is an even number, divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. 24 is an even number, divisible by 2. So we have 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. 12 is an even number, divisible by 2. So we have 2 6 are 12. 6 again is divisible by 2. So we have 2 3s are 6. 3 is an odd number. So let's divide 3 by 3. So 3 1s are 3. Now let's write down the factors for all the three numbers. So 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And 96 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now we need to circle the common factors that are available in all the three numbers. So the common factor 2 is available in all the three. So let's circle the first pair, and from that we need to take out 1 2. Then again we have 2 as a common factor in all the three numbers. So we take out another 2. Now 3 is common in all the three numbers. So we take out 1 3. The remaining numbers do not have common factors in all the given number. Therefore, we need to omit those. The product of 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. Therefore, the highest common factor that divides 48, 36 and 96 is 12. Let's move on to the next sum. Find the HCF of 108, 288 and 420 by prime factor method. Step 1. We need to factorize the given numbers separately. So let's factorize 108. 108 is an even number, so it's divisible by 2. We have 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. 54 is an even number, divisible by 2. So we have 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. 27 is an odd number which can be divided by 3. 3 9s are 27 9 is again an odd number which is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 dividing by 3 we get 3 1s are 3. Moving on to the next number 288. 288 is an even number because the number in the ones place is 8. So we can divide by the least prime number which is 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 2 4s are 8. 144 is an even number divisible by 2. So we have 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. 72 again an even number which is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 12. So 2 6s are 12. 36 is divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, remainder 1. So 16, 2 8s are 16. 18 is an even number divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. 9 is an odd number. So let's divide it by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. 420. A number ending with either 0 or 5 is divisible by 5 as per the divisibility rule. 420 is an even number as well. So we can either divide it by 2 or by 5. But it is always better to start with the least prime number. So dividing 420 by 2, we have 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and we bring down the 0. 210 is again divisible by 2. So we have 2 1s are 2, 1 is not divisible so we add a 0 and 2 5s are 10. 105, since the number in the ones place is 5, we can divide by 5 as well, or the number can be divided by 3 because as per the test of divisibility, if the sum of number is divisible by 3, the number can be divided by 3. So the sum of 1 plus 0 plus 5 is 6. So 6 is divisible by 3. So on dividing 105 by 3, we have 3 3s are 9, remainder 1, so 15, 3 5s are 15. Now 35, on dividing it by 5, we get 5 7s are 35 and 7 divided by 7 gives us 1. Moving on to step 3, let's write down the prime factors of the given numbers. So 108 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 288 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 420 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Now let's circle the common prime factors that are available in all the three numbers. So the common prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3. The remaining numbers do not have common prime factors, so we need to ignore them. The product of 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. Therefore, the highest common factor that divides 108, 288 and 420 is equal to 12. I hope today's session helped you to learn how to calculate the highest common factor by prime factor method. In case you have any doubts or queries, please do post them in the comment section. We'll meet up with you all with another interesting video. Till then, happy learning, stay safe, take care and bye-bye.